Guys, welcome to my channel. I'm William and I'm going to do a 3D questions, technical drawing, very simple questions. And I have a question here that I'm going to solve it here. I've been given a diagram here showing two views of a machine block drawn in orthographic projection. Draw the isometric view of the block with the X at the lowest position. My X is here. So this is where I will start doing my drawing. Yeah, here. Be my lowest position. You can see, first we are going to sketch this diagram here before we start drawing, to see or to know where to start, even to know how to organize your paper. Not to use a big space, or you can draw and you meet yourself where your diagram is out of your border lines. So I can see here it's a lookalike of L. So that's where my X is, my lowest position. So I will start by sketching a L block diagram to start from there. Look like this. That is my L block diagram. Now I continue to figure out how to sketch whatever some can see. So from this, can see a slanting line here from head of L na side of the other L. And I can also observe from the top view, I have blocks here. So these blocks are the one who are the one looking or have a slanting side on this at the head view. So from up here, I will go 5 mm to get where my slanting point is starting from. So it's from there, and somewhere on this side I have from this edge, from somewhere here I will go 30 to get my edge of the slanting. So here I will draw free. This does not have any measurement, or you draw it after identifying this position and this position. So, and there are two here, this and this, both sides. So this I will draw them on the other side. I will draw my slanting here, and I will draw like that one. So this is my end, or these are my objects that have slanting sides. So you have your top side here. Also here I have a circle and a semicircle. So at this end point here, or my lowest position, is where end here is where now I've started identifying my semicircle here and the circle. So I can see here radius is 40 of outer of this semicircle here. So radius is 40. So from here to here will be 80. So I will measure 40 here. Then I'll measure 40 here to get the center. Then I'll draw a semicircle there. Then I'll continue here. I have diameter of 40, so radius is 20. So I draw a circle there. Now I will finish on this side, and I trace how to give my final measurement. And finally, now I can borrow my sketch here to help me to know whatever I'm expected, or I'm expecting to draw the isometric block. So from here to here, I have 110. From there to here, I have 70. From this, where my slanting is starting, I have 5. From this, my lowest position here, I have 15, and also it will go to the full L here, so even here is 15, and I have said that from here to here, on this slanting here, we can call it a base. We call this hypotenuse, base, and opposite. So my base here is 30. So now I can start drawing using my set square here, and I identify a position there. On this position, I will start projecting. This my point here is the x, and will be the lowest position here. Will be the lowest position. I will do a line from here up to that side. Then on the other side, I will draw a line. Then we have the question is written here. So from here to here I have 110, so I will go 110, and the other side here, on this side, I will go 80 because this radius, so diameter will be 80. So using my ruler, I will measure 110. There. So 110 is 11. I have my 11 here. Then here I will go 8 and measure 8 millimeter. Then I will draw line. Make sure your T-square always it's aligned with your board, and don't try your best not to twist when you are drawing these lines here, because any mistake you will get a wrong diagram. So you will not get what you are expecting, or whatever you have sketched to bring mistakes. So going up here, we have said we will go 70. Here we have it here, 70 millimeter. I will go up 70. And we have said the width of our L upper block will be 15, so I will go 1.5 here. So I can also trace it here. Tende has many ways to trace anything you want to trace here, unless as much as you know whatever you are doing, you know how to use it well. So I will transfer this my 15 here, and transfer it also on this side. Also, I will measure 1.5 here. Then I will draw from this position here for me to transfer 15. So you have to draw or to measure only one side, then you transfer everything. You see, set square, correctly. So now I can finish to draw the block here. So I'm transferring all data. You can see I'm doing it. I'm transferring, and you can see now I have my L block. So now I'm going to trace this slanting here blocks, and I have them here, and we have said that from here to here we'll go down 5 here to get where starting line is starting. We'll go down 5 millimeter, then at the base we'll go 30 millimeter to trace them. So I will use my ruler here. I will go half 0.5. Then here on the base I will go 30. That is 3. Now I'm going to transfer this data, and also before that let me trace this here. We said here, you can see from these blocks here have a width of 15. So I will draw them here 1.5. Then I will transfer them down using this square here to make my work easier. Yeah, just then to save time today was faster because of time. I transfer that. I will also transfer this 5 millimeter. I will also transfer this 1.5 from here, yeah, and also from here. Then now I can use my ruler here, and this now I have to measure this 1.5 here. You can measure or transfer. So let me show you how to transfer that one. So I will bring it down there, and here also I bring it down. Then I will use this stand here. I bring it here, you can see. I bring it there, so I have transferred it. So now I can use my ruler here to draw my slanting line here. That one. This is another. That. And also from here. That. Then from here I bring it down there, so I can finish here. So I can finish on this side and veer here up. Now I'm going to continue with the circle here, and I will start with a semicircle. I will use the formula or the method of diagonal to explain more, because I have done a tutorial on how to use diagonals. So I have my semicircle here has a radius of 40. So I have my 80 here, here. So I will measure 40. Then on this side also I will measure 80. Then I measure 40. Yeah. I will transfer this 40 like that. Then on this side I have 40 here. So this will be my center here. And I have, let me do full square here. Yeah. So using your compass, before you continue, starting here, you will be able to draw from here to here. So you can draw. You have your quarter circle here. Then I will continue, or I will draw the curve here. Finish. So first I will draw a diagonal. I will draw a diagonal from here to here to here. Then I will draw another diagonal here. Right? Then I will use this center here. Here I call it a center. So I will place my compass there. Then I continue or finish to sketch my, so I will start from, adjust my compass here. So I will start from, I will place my compass there, and I start from here. I do from there, so like that. Like that, you can see smart. So I'm done. Now that I'm done with the same circle before, although I have not finished here. So let first draw the circle here. This one here, which has a diameter of 40, meaning that we have a radius of 20. So we'll go 40 divided by 2. So I stand here. I have this is my center here. My 2 is there. So I start from 0 to 40. Then also here I start on 2. So I have my 0 here, my 40 there. So I want to come out, so I'm drawing a square here. I will use a diagonal method to draw the circle here. Remember, the final diagram is where you borrowed. You don't borrow you're working for you to have a neat work. So here, and also after drawing your square here, you start, you press your one side end, then you press at the center of your square. You proceed and draw a quarter circle like that one. So also you start on the other side, opposite side. Start on the center go here, square, you draw your curve there. So it's a quarter there. So now I will draw diagonal. So I will start from this end and I draw diagonal here. I have my center here, and also on the other side also I will start there. Then I will draw diagonal. Then using my compass here, I will start there. I will place my compass there. Then I draw on the centers or where it is starting. Like that. On the other side also I will place my compass there. And I start circle, do like that, so I can make it a bold because I am done with this. Yeah, to make it smart. You can see it. So I'm done now. I'm going to complete this here. So to complete this, I will drop this head here. Then I will draw many lines here like this till I get to the end where, yeah, like that. Then I will use my ruler here. I'll be measuring 1.5, 1.5. So I can start here, measure 1.5. I come here, measure 1.5. Come at this, I measure 1.5. The other one, measure 1.5. Here, measure 1.5. Here, measure 1.5. Then you can proceed to draw using freehand, starting with here. Draw it using freehand. And also, yeah, you do the same. So you come here, perpendicular, then you add lines. So doing many lines here will give you a perfect curve, because you don't have to, yeah. So you can use your compass here. You measure 1.5. Can use your ruler and measure 1.5. Then you trace your 1.5. Till the end. And technical drawings requires a lot of practice. So you will use your free hand. And then you board with a 2H. or you build with the HB now. Your final diagram is that. So you can use, now you can bolt everything you have done now. You can bolt everything you have. Yeah. 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 Yeah, this one here. This, and that's your final diagram. And for here, you can try to trace either. You can see, so you drop lines perpendicularly. Yeah. Then use your compass. Yeah. Measure 1.5. Then you trace to get a smooth curve. Yeah. Then you draw using your pencil. That's your final diagram, and you can put some measurements here where you have used. Yeah. They said if you draw, you cross your end point there. Don't leave it open. So from here to here, from here to here, this is from here 70, and draw your center here. So you can draw even the center lines here. Okay. the center lines that you can able to show the radius 40. Can use your light set square here. No. Square radius 40. This one here 15. Make sure your measurement they are sitting on your line. This was 110. That's your final diagram. Yeah, having this. It's the final diagram. Thank you.